How to change clothes in Undawn. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Undawn and you are looking for a quick way to change clothes in the game, then the first thing you want to do is to launch open Undawn game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. Now from the expanded menu, click on Wardrobe. In the Wardrobe tab, go ahead and select the clothing type from the right menu. I'm just gonna go ahead and change some tops. From the top tab, go ahead and select your top you want to change to, and your character will wear that outfit. Now similarly, go ahead and find some other outfits such as bottom. Just try some out there. If you see the lock icon right where your clothing item is, you need to obtain them. Some of the outfits needs to be purchased. In order to purchase the outfit, you need to spend gold coins. Go ahead and find the outfit under your budget. And once you find one, you will be able to purchase it. After finding the outfit, you can also go browse the shoes category and other categories such as hats, hairs, and you can also change your other features such as hair, gloves, hats, etc. for your character. Once you do that, you will be able to change your clothing in the game. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.